Good day everyone, this is James and here's our problem for today's video. We're given with a system of equations y equals to 4x and y equals to x squared minus 12. And we are actually tasked to solve for a solution where our x is positive. So what is the value of x? So here's how to solve this one. Take note that both of the equations are expressed in terms of y, like 4x equals to y, and another expression, x squared minus 12 is equal to y. With this, we can actually apply the transitive property of equality, and with this, we can actually simplify the system into a singular equation that is x squared minus 12 equals 4x. This is actually a quadratic equation, so all we have to do is to just transpose 4x to the left-hand side of the equation, making it negative 4x. So this simplifies to x squared minus 4x minus 12 equals 0. We then apply factoring techniques, so this x squared minus 4x minus 12 has factors x plus 2 and x minus 6 equals to 0. And since we have two factors that has a product of 0, we can actually apply the zero product property, which states that both factors must be equated to 0. So we have x plus 2 equals 0 and x minus 6 equals 0. So transposing the constants to the left-hand side will give us x equals negative 2 and x equals to 6. So take note that there are actually two solutions, but it is restricted to the fact that our x must be greater than 0. So with this, we'll actually take x equals to 6 as our final answer. So that's it for the problem, and I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.